All right, Wolfpack, happy Sunday. Here we are back with another exciting week of programming. Hope you guys had a good weekend and are well rested. I'm going to dive into some pretty intense things this week, so hope you guys are ready to crush another awesome week. We're going to start Monday off with some pressing work. Switch things up a little bit, put a little bit more lower body on Tuesday, upper body on Monday, since we did all those lunges on Saturday's class. If you were there, my butt's kind of sore, so I bet you guys are feeling the same. So we're just going to do some press work. This is progressed from last Tuesday. So we dropped 1 rep from last Tuesday, 3 reps this week. So the goal would be to add a little bit of weight. Again, with the strict press, we really don't have a ton of room to build once these weights get pretty heavy. So even if we just add 2.5s on the side, that's plenty of an addition for this strict press. So try to make some kind of weight increase from last week. And then this week we're going to go into push jerks, right? So since we've added a little bit more weight, last couple of weeks we've done push press, we're going to work on barbell cycling doing push jerks. So do your 3 strict press. As you go into that, or finish that 3rd press, as soon as that barbell comes down, we're going to go right into our push jerk, touch and go for as many reps as possible. Again, we're working on barbell cycling, breathing, and being efficient, so we need to make sure we keep the elbows in front, right? So we can definitely dip and use the energy of the bar on the way down to kind of rubber band us back up. And then remember, with the push jerk, all we got to do is slide our feet out just a little bit and then press up underneath the bar, get into that little quarter squat. So we want to get really comfortable moving with this barbell, breathing in this push jerk mechanics. That way we can obviously do more reps in a workout and not be as fatigued. Obviously, the push press is more fatiguing. You're driving a little bit more with your arms, but with the push jerks, you should be definitely more leg-oriented for about 80% of the reps, or 80% of the movement. The press should only come into when you're kind of dropping underneath the bar. So get comfortable with this. Rest as long as you need. I'm going to do 3 to 4 sets of that. Okay, probably looking for 6 to 8 plus reps on the push jerks. I will probably be able to do the same as last week, if not more, depending on our push jerk proficiency. Okay, so try to get through 6 to 8 reps, something like that. But again, with the strict press, focus on the bar path. It's only 3 reps. Make sure they're perfect reps, right? Straight up and down. We're not looping that barbell out in front. Okay, 2 7-minute AMRAPs for B. Gonna kind of work our way down, rest, and then work back up essentially. And we want to try to get to these AMRAPs with as much time as we can so that we can get through as many reps and get a lot of volume in, and a lot of fatigued volume. 7-minute AMRAP, 30 deadlifts, match the same weights we've done the last few weeks in these kind of Metcons. We should be able to do a minimum of 5 here. Realistically, since we're coming off of this fresh, we might be able to rip a couple bigger sets. If you're comfortable with the barbell, 8-8, 7-7 is not a bad split to get to 30. I wouldn't say doing any bigger than that is going to be advantageous, especially since you have bar facing burpees right after. We want to save a little bit of energy for the handstand push-up. So even if you break these up, right, if you break at 8 versus 10 or 12, yeah, you're getting a few reps ahead. But if you take a quick little 5-second break and get right back to the barbell, you're going to get through this faster and less fatigued than if you did a bigger set. Created more fatigue, more lactic acid, then rested longer, right? So keep those breaks to the most minimum time possible, and you'll feel a lot better if you chip away at these shorter sets, okay? So 30 deadlifts, 20 bar-facing burpees. Remaining time, we do max handstand push-ups, okay? Now, this can be a whole bunch of different things depending on where we are at in our handstand push-up journey. The goal would be to get upside down in some form or fashion. We did a whole bunch of overhead pressing with a barbell here, so I wouldn't do any barbell presses. I would say, and since we're doing bar-facing burpees here, you're basically doing push-ups off the ground. I probably wouldn't do push-ups, so I would do some kind of upside-down movement and then some kind of push press with dumbbells, right? Or some kind of shoulder to overhead where we're using our legs with dumbbells, okay? So maybe we do, a tough set of shoulder overhead with the dumbbells, and then we kick upside down, okay? And then we do that for the remaining time if we're not doing handstand push-ups. Or, we can add a mat or 2 on the handstand push-ups, get as many reps as you can, okay? 3-minute rest, and then we just retrace it backwards. We start with the handstand push-ups, burpees, and then we finish with the deadlifts right here at the end. It's probably even more important to just chip away at small sets, even 3 to 5 reps, okay? Say you've got 3 or 4 minutes. It's a long time to be doing one movement, especially deadlifts, and it wouldn't fare you well to do a big set off the rip and then just be super fatigued for the remaining time. So just go for shorter sets, 3 to 5 sets, rest 5 to 8 seconds, whatever, and then do it again. Okay, so time domains we're looking at The 30 deadlift should probably be somewhere around 2 minutes if we're taking, 15 reps per minute, or if you go 8-8, 7-7, right? You're getting 16 done, probably in about a minute, maybe even less on that first set, but call it 2 minutes just for fun. Even if we did 2 minutes on the bar facing burpees, right? That's 4 minutes there. It gives us 3 minutes to work on handstand push-ups. So it's a really, really big chunk of change. So again, with the handstand push-ups, don't try to kill a massive set off the rip. Pick a comfortable set that we can get on the wall, do really fast, and then get off. Okay, key to handstand push-ups is doing fast sets, boom, 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 off. Spend the least amount of time upside down. Okay, same thing on the backside. Couple minutes here, couple minutes here. It gives us about 3 minutes on the deadlift. So that would be your stimulus for the day. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, let's enjoy this wonderful Monday. Cooler weather this week, which is fantastic. Nothing over 90. So I hope you guys are ready for that, and you guys have a great week, and we'll see you in the gym. Later.